Mrs. Indumati Umesh. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Indumati for accepting the invitation on a very, very short notice uh, and very gladly accepting without any hesitation, because I know that you're extremely busy and you're traveling. In fact, you all won't believe that today she is traveling. She is in the city of Tanjavur. And the best thing and very good news that I would like to share with you all is that she has been nominated for the iconic awards and she is there to receive the award today. So a real great moment and a real great day to have her with us as a special guest today. Mrs. Indumati Umesh is really passionate about training, and she's been in the HR field for nearly a decade, and she has worked with HCL Technologies for more than a decade, and she's been working in the IT and ITS industry for a long time. Recently, she has started her own training academy called as Vision, and she imparts itself, as we all know, vision is kind of seeing beyond the visible, right? And that's what she really does. I mean, when she really talks to students, she's really tapping their talent, she's encouraging them, she's motivating them. That's such an important thing. So it's all about giving. What I really know about Mrs. Indumati is that she's always sharing a knowledge. She's helping students, she's helping professionals build their career. And that is the best thing that she's been doing for a long time. That is one of the reasons she's here today also to help you all understand how to prepare and how to groom yourself whenever you're entering a new industry or taking up a new career. She has done a lot of training in the recent years. She has done programs for HCL employees. She has done leadership programs for top management. She has done managers training for Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. She has done staff development program for EuroKids Play School Group. She has done self-development training programs for teachers for various institutions. She has done a lot of motivational training programs for students. She also does communication skill programs. She also does train the trainer workshops. So you can understand her kind of involvement and her passion for training. She has got numerous awards and recognition. She is also associated with Corona International Club. She is also part of the Chennai Trainers Forum. She is secretary of VES Alumni Association. She has been on that school and she's attended that school and now she is a secretary. And we are also lucky to have her classmate, Mr. Raghu, today on this call. So it is really nice to have two classmates doing the session today. What a great day today it is. I mean, you can see the growth. And the best thing about both our guests today is they are individuals who believe in giving back to the society. And that's what they've been doing for last 2 decades. And I really feel honored and blessed to have both of them on this call today, without which this call would not have happened. So with these few words, I would not like to take more time. I would specially welcome, a very warm welcome to you, Ms. Indumati and Raghu, and to each one of you on this call to be part of this. I'm sure Ms. Indumati Umesh has a lot of stuff to share with us. So get ready for the call and over to you, madam.
Thank you so much, Ramesh. That was an awesome and perfect introduction, I would say. Like I always say, like there should always be a good start. Okay, don't wait for opportunities, trap the opportunities. So Ramesh, very all the best for your new project that you have taken, because it's a very, very noble project, I would say. Because rather than anything, you say like this donation, blood donation, eye donation, every type of all donations, knowledge sharing is the best donation, I would say, like this is needed for today. So with that note, let's start this session today. So happy morning, everyone. This is going to be a bright morning, and this 45 minutes. That is, it's 11:20 now. So whatever 45 minutes we would interact, and this is going to be an investment. I will not say time. Never I will say time to spending. We can't spend time. We are investing time on many things today. So good to know, like few people have introduced Satya. Is very happy that you are from same background as me, HR background, and people have introduced, two or three people have also started to introduce. So very good. Capgemini, you are working in Capgemini. So people are been already into corporate, and few people are just entered or trying to enter. So very all the best for your career. So it should not be a lecture session, like I'm keep on talking, and it should not be a monotonous session. So I want you people also to interact, because it's not something I'm preaching or teaching. So whatever I know or whatever I learned out of my experience, I'm just sharing with you people.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, Raghu. I am able to hear you, but I think Indu
Yeah.
screen is
Indu's screen is free, so looks like
Yeah,
connectivity issues.
no, I lost my connection. I think I'm connected to my in another network. Can you hear me, Raghu?
Yes,
now
Indu.
we can.
Go ahead.
Indu.
Yeah. Right now we are able to hear.
Fine. So can anyone start? So Satya, can we start?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. What, according to you, Satya, like successes, just one liner.
Success is pay passion.
Passion, very good. Anyone who wanted to share their perception?
I didn't hear the question actually, so can you please?
Okay. Yes, Pallavi, like what I said is like when you hear success, what comes to your mind, or what according to you is successes?
Okay. Something that I'm successful in what I love to do, or when I'm trying to reach out to other people who are in need, or I can help somebody who is in need. That is success
Right.
for me. Yeah.
Perfect. So according to you, successes. Anybody wanted to share what is successes? So when people ask me what is success, I would like to say, when you are keep on moving, there is a word like if you are able to crawl, just crawl, keep crawling. If you are able to walk, keep walking. If you're able to run, keep running. If you're able to fly, keep flying. So just do whatever you are doing in a consistent way. I would say like success is equal to consistent. So when you pause for a minute, in case if anybody who do not know Tamil in this group, you can text me. I do not know Tamil, so I'll completely have been English, because some interaction I would quote some incident, so people should not miss out. So if everybody knows Tamil, yes or fine?
Yeah, most of them in the few
Most of them. Most of them. Okay. Because why I'm saying is, Angal நம்ம நிக்கணும். We have to stand. We have to keep on running. Otherwise, we will lose the track. So consistently do whatever you do, whatever you love. As rightly said, So according to Pallavi, she loves the passion, and if she is helping someone who have reached her, that is success. So let's start with a small game, I would say, like an illusion game. So let me share the screen first. Check if you can see my screen and keenly observe this
Sarita
video
sent your friend
and
request.
tell me, there is few questions asked.
Idda
So just tell me like
confirm
whether you
cheyyanga.
are able to see
Managa ma nayana
this
పంపించింది.
screen.
కస్తూరి యోజన పంపించింది. నేను మీట్లో దాన్ని.
Raghu, you are able to, right?
Yes, we can.
You can write, okay. Fine.
శంకరన్ రామస్వామి అంటే మీ శంకరత్న. శంకరన్ రామస్వామి అంటే.
ఏ రామస్వామి నాకు తెలియదు.
అయ్యో ఓరేది శంకరన్ రామస్వామి. ఓటు కుచ్చి పుట్టుకుంటుంది.
So you all know, right? Count how many times the player wearing white pass the ball, right? So you are going to keenly observe and count how many times.
Yes.
So how many times? Any idea?
11 or 12 times?
Any guesses? Any other guesses? You want to see again?
Pallavi has responded on the chat.
Both the things at the same time. Okay, people said 9, okay, and you said 11 or 12. So let's see it again. One more chances for everybody.
The monkey business illusion. Count how many times the players wearing white pass the ball.
Okay, any other changes or any other guesses or any other answers?
I think 10 or 11.
11, okay. Yes, Pallavi. Any other guesses? And I said it should be interactive. It should not be like I only speak. So again, say like what are the changes that you have seen apart from transferring the balls, exchanging the balls? What are the things that you have seen? Anybody wanted to guess? என்ன நடந்தது அங்க? People have come. They have exchanged balls. Any other thing happened?
They're constantly on the move.
Sorry?
They're constantly moving.
Constantly moving. Okay. அவங்க மட்டும் தான் இருந்தாங்களா அங்க? Any other external person came? யாராச்சும் டிஃப்ரெண்டா வந்தாங்களா?
Yeah, நடுவுல யாரோ இருந்தாங்க.
வேற யாராச்சும் வேற ஏதாச்சும் சேஞ்சஸ் பாத்தீங்களா?
The people wearing white were not as active as black.
Can I take it as a lateral thinking, Raghu? Okay. So, என்ன ஒரு விஷயம் நம்ம இதுல பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரு question கேட்டா. And what the question asked us, how many passes of whites, that is white people wearing white t-shirt wearing people, எத்தனை time they have exchanged the balls. That is the question asked. So what we all do, it's human psychology, like we are you checking only the white people who are exchanging the balls. But what interestingly it happened is a gorilla crossed. When you check, a gorilla crossed the thing. When they started to exchange the ball, நம்ம அப்படியே ஒயிட் தான் கான்சென்ட்ரேட்டே பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம். பட் நடுவில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா ஒரு கேரக்டர் உள்ள வந்தாச்சு. தட் இஸ் ஒன் கொரில்லா வுட் கம் அக்ராஸ் அண்ட் இட் வுட் மேக் அ சைன் அண்ட் இட் வில் மூவ் ஆஃப். அப்படியே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the background initially it would be maroon in color, slowly என்ன ஆகும், சேஞ்ச் ஆகிட்டு கோல்டன் கலர்ல ஆயிடும். So this is life. What we would do is we will be concentrating on only on things which we wanted to do or we will have to do, but we will miss out the interesting aspects of life, like engaging with people or entertaining yourself, moving with a positive crowd, learning, updating yourself. அப்படிங்கிற interesting facts எல்லாம் நம்ம மறந்துருவோம், or we would not be able to, we would not have time to enjoy it, right? And there is also keen observation required for everybody. We definitely, people would have missed the color which is changing in the background, because our concentration is only on the people who were wearing white. This is life. So we have to be very careful. We have to be very keenly observing people. We have to do our passion. At the same time, the important thing is we have to update ourselves. Many do not have opportunity or do not have even a liking to get to the next level. Comfort zone. I'm earning 40,000, 50,000 and I'm very comfortable enough in running my family. What it is, then why I should go? I'm very comfortable. So they will find most of 10 வருஷம் கழிச்சு பாத்தீங்கன்னா his salary would be only 60,000. Because he wanted to be in that comfort zone, so no updation of knowledge, no moving with positive people. He do not know what next step that we have to take in the career. So what we today or think is 5 things that we have to know basically. What are those 5 things is, that is what a small presentation, I'm just sharing it with you, that would make us to get into the next level. Because we are all wanted to go to the next level, right? நல்லா சம்பாதிக்கணும், நல்லா ஹாப்பியா இருக்கணும், and we have to be very, very, very effective on efficient enough, right? So first of all, let me thank Ramesh for giving this opportunity to move with you, because steps to succeed, we do not know in which step in the ladder we are, but at least today, let it be a motivational session or whatever you call it as, or just an eye-opening session. இத்தனை நம்ம மறந்துட்டோமே, இத்தனை நம்ம இப்படியே இருந்துட்டோமே, why can't we do out of box thinking? Why we can't take another step? Why we can't divert ourselves for the positive things? அப்படிங்கிற நம்மலாம் ஓடிண்டே இருக்கும். Just we have to make a pause and think, கரெக்டாக தான் ஓடுறோமா, கரெக்டான ட்ராக் தான் ஓடுறோமா, do we know the destination? Have we at least set our destination? So all these things we have to just pause for a minute, think, and we have to do. So we have already into the icebreaker session. ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் கத்துட்டோம், because we need to be multitasking, knowing whatever we wanted to do. At the same time, we have to update yourself. Importantly, we have to enjoy life. நிறைய பேர் இது ரெண்டுமே பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. The successful people பார்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா, they will be very active, very professional, mind managing, passionate. They want to grow. Throughout the life, they wanted to grow. But the essence of life, they will not have time to mingle with their family. They will not have time for everything, anything in life. Like enjoying with friends. ஒரு மூவி கூப்பிட்டா கூட ஐயோ எனக்கு ரிவ்யூ இருக்கு, ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபேமிலி ஃபங்க்ஷன்னா சான்ஸே இல்லை, இன்னைக்கு நான் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்டா ஹெல்ட் அப் ஆயிட்டேன், மீட்டிங் இருக்கு. How many people say excuses? We first of all we wanted to excuse ourselves from things. So importantly we have to enjoy life also. That's very important and also needed for the art. And then we know, right, we are going to speak about few aspects, importantly 5 aspects today. So first of all, like developing yourself. அதை பத்தி தான் நம்ம பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். How we are going to go to the next level, how we are going to concentrate on the career, right? When I completed my degree in 98, I have no options or I have no dream or planning about my future. என்ன ஆக போறோம், என்ன படிக்கலாம், what is my career, nobody is there like us. இப்பெல்லாம் ரமேஷ் ரகுலாம் எவ்வளோ பேர், they are giving opportunities at least now to plan yourself, plan for your future, plan for your career. But I lost 10 years, you don't believe, I lost 10 years because I did not have these opportunities of grooming myself, updating myself and getting into the next level. Only after
Hindu, can you please maximize your presentation? It's a little bit small.
Okay, I wanted to see everybody and present, that is why
Yeah, it's fine, better.
Fine.
Better.
Hope you, okay, great. So what I would say is, like, we have to go to the next level. We have to anyhow challenge ourselves in the market, because this is going to be a very competitive world. People in HR would know, for one role 200-300 people will be competing with each other. Do not know whether that chance will come to us or not. But how you can win that, how you will be able to get into that, because then you are different from others. And the 200 பேர்ல நீங்க வந்து டிஃபரெண்டா இருந்தா people will like, yes, this person is somewhat different, because everybody are doing training. How her training is interesting, or how she is interacting with people, what is the body language, or how she understands the pulse. That makes the trainer successful, more successful, right? I can also run a presentation and do a training and go for hours together. But I should, the purpose, whatever it is planned today, I have to achieve it, right? That is the success of any trainer. So, first of all, you have to update yourself, understand the meaning. இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு for example ஒரு மளிகை கடை, the provisional store ஆரம்பிக்கிறீங்க, you have to know that business, right? You have to know the price of hammam soap. You have to know the price of hammam soap. You have to know the price of kg of rice. You can't keep on asking இது எவ்வளவுங்க. ஒருத்தவங்க வந்து approach பண்றாங்க, somebody is coming to your shop, approaching like, I want 5 kgs of tamarind. You can't say like how much it is. Keep on saying. People will say, he is asking someone, he do not have that knowledge. So you have to know, whatever the business you do, you have to update yourself, understand who are you, and keep updating yourself. Otherwise, you will be run out. You will not be in that competitive market. So many things, like for time management, I'm saying what are the things that you have to know. Even you have to know how you have to be presentable, right? Wearing neat dress for the occasion, or aptly for the occasion. If I'm coming for a training, I can't wear like designer sarees full of jewelry and come, because it is not needed. It will distract people, right? So I should be very professional. And if I'm going for a marriage or a reception, I should be in a presentable way. And if I'm going for an interview, there is something needed. So right from your grooming, right from your physical appearance, right from your body language, right from your attitude, right from your walking style, speaking style, interacting with people, interacting with clients, interacting with your peers, everything matters. So develop yourself. That is the important thing, like I just wanted to touch on today. And communication, very important in the career. You can be so excellent, fabulous, fantabulous in your skill, but if you're not able to communicate something, then your skill or your talent will not be shown to others, right? You have to know your career and understand that. And equally, there are also like don'ts. Like anything, like you have to adhere to the policy of any company, anywhere you work, even business, even a shop that you know work, you have to know the requirements. And yes, yes, of course, people have to understand, as rightly said Ramesh, you have to know, have you ever thought about your care? Yes, yes. And don't absent yourself. If you have given a commitment, you have to stick on to that commitment, whatever it may be. Please stick on to that commitment, because value, அவ்வையார் வந்து என்ன சொல்லியிருப்பாங்கன்னா ஒரு பாடல்ல, கோடி கோடியா நீங்க சம்பாரிச்சிருப்பீங்க, பட் பெஸ்ட் கோடி இன் லைஃப் இஸ், த crore is life is when you have given a வாக்கு கொடுத்துட்டோம்னா அந்த வாக்கு நம்ம நிறைவேற்றணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு கவிதை இருக்கு அவ்வையாரோட பாடல்ல. So like that, if you have given a commitment, do or die, you have to do that. So formulate yourself, groom yourself accordingly for those things, and don't spend time on all the social media when you're at work. Assign some time for your social media, right? Because people are now connected through social medias, because I'm getting meeting invites in my Facebook, Gmail, everything. So professionally used, but people will spend so much of time in unwanted things. Invest your time. I always say, invest your time in something that it is grooming you, something that will give you value. These are all the things, like people hours together they spend on Facebook, Twitter, Insta, WhatsApp. Check whether it is going to be any productive end of the day. Have a habit of doing, like interrogatively at night, think about what are all the things that you have done for that day, whether it is going to fetch anything or you have missed. இன்னைக்கு நைட் நான் உட்காந்து இன்னைக்கு என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணேன், மார்னிங் எழுந்தேன், லைக் ஐ ஹவ் கிவன் த ட்ரைனிங், தென் ஐ ஹவ் டு வென்ட் இன் டு மீட்டிங் பீப்புள் and I met my friends. Oh, importantly, this I have designed, I have planned, and I am not able to do today. So put that aspect, whichever you have missed, for the next day. நாளைக்கு எழுந்தோடனே இதை நான் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன் இன்னைக்கு, so tomorrow I have to do this. Have a habit of writing a diary or keeping anything. It's not even diary, it's just a notepad daily, so that you don't remember, you won't forget. Or phone, however you are comfortable, because I always write things rather than typing or rather than having in phone. I love to carry a notepad wherever I go. Wherever I go, some important things, like people said. நேற்றுக்கு கூட நான் டிராவல் பண்ணிட்டு வரும்போது ட்ரெயின்ல I met a very positive people, a very spiritual oriented guy. What something like he has said, like I've noted down what are the things I have to check in life, life ethics, life goals பத்திலாம் நாங்க டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். He is a very great writer, spiritual writer. எவ்வளோ விஷயம், not even I am spiritual மட்டும் சொல்லல. His life, he is a senior SBI manager, retired manager, bankல. எவ்வளோ விஷயம், லைஃப் கோல்ஸ், லைஃப் டிராவலிங்ல, his experiences, many things he has said. அது நான் ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம் நான் எழுதி வச்சிருந்தேன். So I'll be able to understand, connect with them. So always have a habit of taking a diary or a pen along with you, whatever you feel. டக்குன்னு எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க, so that these are all the accomplishment, record your accomplishments. நாங்க இன்னைக்கு நான் இவ்வளவு சக்சஸ்ஃபுல் நான் பண்ணிருக்கேன், something I have achieved, write in the diary. So after a few months you turn like, yes, this thing I have achieved, no, I planned and I have achieved, no. So you will have that habit of doing that. So, and don't make judgments of people. We are nowhere. பக்கத்துல ஓடுறவன் நம்ம கூட தான் ஓடுறானா, 100 மீட்டர்ல ஓடுறானா, 500 மீட்டர்ல ஓடுறானா, we do not know. Are we really running? We don't know. People, he would be come for the ground for jogging. We will think like he is running. And நம்ம வாக்கிங்காக வந்திருப்போம், யாரு ஜாக் பண்றாங்களோ அவங்கள காம்படிஷனா நாங்க பண்ணிருப்போம், ரைட்? ஸோ அவங்களுக்காக ஓடிட்டு இருப்போம் and we finally lose our track. So you have to be very, very careful in choosing those things. Next comes the goal setting. Who has a habit of setting the goals? இதுதான் என்னோட ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் பிளான். 2021ல வாங்குற இந்த பைக், இந்த கார் வாங்குறேன், இந்த ஸ்டைல்ல நான் வாங்குறேன், or இந்த வீடு நான் ரொம்ப நாள கனவு இருக்கு நான் வாங்குறேன். அதர்வைஸ் இதுதான் என்னோட கார்பரேட், இந்த கம்பெனில நான் ஜாயின் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். Do or die, I will join this company. Or this is என்னோட குழந்தைக்கு வந்து இந்த தான் வாங்க கொடுக்கும். Anything like, have you ever planned like mentioned or wrote like this is my going to be my short term goal or long term goal? ஏதாச்சும் யாராச்சும் ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான திங் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்களேன். இது நான் இப்படி நினைச்சேன், இந்த இல்லை நினைச்சு முடிச்சுட்டேன், இல்லைன்னா சாதிச்சுட்டேன், அந்த மாதிரி anything like you have in your life, anybody for that matter. So I wanted to share something. Yes, this is my goal, this is what I want, interested in, and இது நான் சாதிச்சுட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Anybody? Nobody is interactive. Yeah, come on. I'm not asking you a CBSE medical question or NEET exam. It's going to be a fun, jolly interaction. I know it's a Sunday. I know you will have humpy of things to do. I know, I all understand. As I said, somewhere we have to invest something. Today we are investing time. So, we need to be interactive enough. So, இது நான் பண்ணினேன், இது ரொம்ப எனக்கு மனசுக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயம், இது நான் நடக்கணும்னு ரொம்ப நாளா ஆசைப்பட்டேன், அந்த மாதிரி எது something like it would have struck your mind, right? Even career-ஆ இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை promotion-ஆ இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை anything for that matter, it would have struck you. So, any experiences of you to that it strike you? எதுவுமே இல்லையா? Okay, so at least let me explain you like how the long-term goal and short-term goal should be. நான் எப்பவுமே சொல்லியிருக்கேன் இல்லையா, ஒரு டைரி வச்சுப்பேன். I know I wanted to make it interesting, write your experiences and the மாதிரி. So already I told you, know, if 40 minutes anybody who is guiding myself for my career 98 எல்லாம், so அப்போ எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன ஆசை, வாங்கிடணும் வீடு வந்து வாங்கிடணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் எழுதி வச்சது டைரியில வந்து in 2001 டைரி. I wanted to build my dream house அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரொம்ப அழகா எழுதி வச்சேன். But how I'm going to do, I do not know. Whether I have job, zero. I don't have job. Whether I have any savings, zero. I do not have any savings. I'm completely dependent on somebody. So எதுவுமே இல்லாத போது, பட் மை ஆசை எல்லாருமே எழுதிருக்கலாம்ல. We have all rights to record our dreams, record our plans. So I just wrote this. Yes, 2001 I'm going to get a house. This will be my long-term goal. அப்பெல்லாம் long-term or short-term ஆன்னு தெரியாது. So I just wanted to mention it as, I want to record that, yes, this is going to be my long-term goal, building my dream house. Short-term goal, அப்பவே நினைச்சுட்டேன், I want to complete MBA, right? So I've said yes, completing MBA. Before that, ஒரு சின்ன short-term goal ABங்கிற மாதிரி, I wanted to join a corporate. These two my short-term goal. So எப்படி நம்ம reach பண்றது, how I'm going to reach that, where I am going to hit that, what is that I can do, I do not know, I have no idea about that. So then slowly, what I did is only in 2004, I'm able to at least touch my short-term goal, like joining a corporate. I joined Sutherland Global Services, which was a very big corporate. So I joined a very big corporate and do not believe, like my salary was not even I imagined in life. So I'm able to earn and I'm able to join a corporate, which is my short-term goal. But it took a long time for my long-term goal to complete. That is building our house, I could do only in 2010. So the complete big 10 years, I told you, no, I have no people who are motivating in the money or session, somebody is coming at back of me. You have record your accomplishments. What is your goal? Have you reached that goal? What are the hindrances that you have goal? What are the challenges? How we are going to come out of that? Nobody is there for me. So without any guidance or without any people, I'm always back of 10 years. So only in 2010, those things we are able to achieve. So that is why we are all consistently, even Raghu, Autumn, Ramesh and myself, why I am saying like you're all youngsters. You're all just 20s and 30s or maximum 40s. Just even today. Now or never. Just strike out, come out of your comfort zone. Just you ensure that this is what I'm going to do. Set your own targets. Even if you are working in a company, set your targets. He would have assigned you a target of some reaching 1 lakh sales or 2 lakh sales. So what you have to do is like you have to say, yes, I'm going to do 2.5. So anything, any way you have to set your own goals. Only when you are able to satisfy yourself, you can satisfy somebody. உங்ககிட்டே self satisfaction இல்லாத போது you can never do things. என்னடா எனக்கு வேலையே பிடிக்கல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் இவங்க என்னவோ கேரியர் கோல் செட்டிங்ஸ்லாம் சொன்னாங்க. Just I want 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. I'm just going for a job. I don't have motivation. Then you have chosen a wrong domain. Check what is your passion is, what is your interest is. Then just move on or do something not in a benefit, monetary benefit. எனக்கு இது வேலை ஓகே இது எனக்கு வந்து மானிட்டரி பெனிஃபிட்டுக்காக தான் நான் பண்றேன். பட் மை பேஷன் இஸ் ரைட்டிங். அப்படி நிறைய பேருக்கு பேஷன் இருக்கும். அட்லீஸ்ட் groom that habit, groom that passion so that it will give you some satisfaction when somebody reads your article, somebody sent you an writing note, wow, wonderful, this blog is so good அப்படின்னு யாராவது ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப்ல ஒரு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சா you feel very good, right? Yes, நம்ம எழுதினதுக்கு ஒருத்தர் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Somebody has liked our poster. Somebody is able to relate themselves for my story. அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு happiness கொடுத்தாலும் that is also a success. Like as she said, yes, that's my passion. When I am able to satisfy myself, when I am able to reach my need, somebody's need, I am able to fulfill everything. எது உங்களுக்கு சந்தோஷம் தரணும், அட்லீஸ்ட் டூ தட். ஐம் சேயிங் லெட் இட் பி நெட்வொர்க், எவ்வளோ நெட்வொர்க்கிங் எது இருந்தாலும் கண்டினியூ யுவர் பேஷன், ஃபாலோ யுவர் பேஷன், சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை யுவர் செல்ஃப் ராதர் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைங் சம்படி எல்ஸ். ஸோ ஸ்டார்ட் ரைட்டிங். எது உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்குதோ இல்லை எது உங்களுக்கு தோன்றதோ ஜஸ்ட் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு பேப்பர் எடுத்து இதுதான் நான் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன், இது வந்து லெட் இட் கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுத்தாலும் நான் பண்றேன். ஸோ திஸ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு இம்மீடியட்லி டூ சம்திங். So do that, no? You will have a track where you are going, where you are running. At least you have a count on that. And then this is a very important thing, planning and decision making. That's the last phrase or column of the session. Planning. நிறைய பேர் will slip on this. Planning and decision making. நல்லா பிளான் பண்ணுவாங்க. வீக்கெண்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட ஹாபி வந்து கிளீனிங், ஐ மீன் ரீடிங் புக்ஸ், கிளீனிங் த ஹவுஸ், இதெல்லாம் நான் அசைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இதெல்லாம் நான் வீக்கெண்டில் ஐ ஹேவ் டு டூ. சாட்டர்டே மார்னிங் இட்ஸ் அ ஹாலிடே. ஸோ 9 o'clock சூப்பராக இருந்து காஃபி குடிச்சிட்டு தென் ஐ ஆம் புட்டிங் அ மியூசிக். ஐ வாண்டட் டு கிளீன் த ஹவுஸ் அண்ட் ஐ வாண்டட் டு கிளீன் ஆல் மை வீக் ட்ரெஸ்ஸஸ். ஐ வாண்ட் டு அயர்ன். நிறைய பிளானிங் எல்லாம் ஃப்ரைடே வரைக்கும் பக்காவாக வி வில் பிளான். But Saturday morning, somebody will call, hey, come on, like I have booked the ticket, or why can't we hang out for a movie, or mall, or just we can go meet. Avladhaan. Saturday plans, video plans எல்லாம் cancel ஆயிடும், and you will be engaging in something else. I'm not saying that's wrong, but when you are fixed to something, don't move out of that, right? So yes, you have to do. வாக்கு கொடுத்தா நம்ம காப்பாற்ற மாதிரி நமக்கே கமிட்மெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So we should not get out of that committed. Yes, you can say morning after நான் எனக்கு வேலை இருக்கு, why can't we go by 3 o'clock அப்படின்னு. இல்ல மார்னிங் தான் அது போகணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா then come by 3 o'clock and do that whatever you have planned for that day. Because it's in commitment, it's you have to take your own commitment very seriously. Because you have to have a plan, analyze whether it's going to suit or not. அப்போ சொன்ன மாதிரி தான் பிளான் பி ஏ ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகலைன்னா just move on to plan B, right? So அதே மாதிரி ஒரு சின்ன இன்சிடென்ட் எத்தனை பேருக்கு தெரியும் தெரியல. So Kamarajar, you all know, like our previous chief minister, no? Like he is not so educated and he is not so technically strong, right? Technically he do not have information, but still he is a good planner. He is a good decision maker, I would say. In one incident, like he is planning for, he was interacting with somebody, and உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா எல்லாருக்குமே அந்த கமலஹாசன், we have an actor called Kamalhasan. For his brother, அவங்க அப்பா வந்து he has requested Kamarajar, like my kid is excelled in a study, so he wanted to have a BSc Physics thing. He wanted to have a one seat in a college for his son. அப்போ அவரோட academic performance-லாம் பார்த்தா he is an excellent performer. So what he did is like, okay, he has approached the vice chancellor of Presidency College and he said, we wanted to give a seat for this guy who is very extraordinarily skilled, talented enough. And then the vice chancellor, he told, sorry, G, like we will not be able to accommodate him. And he asked what's the reason, because we have only 70 people can accommodate the physics lab and we can't take anyone other addition because he will not have a proficiency to use the lab, use the class and other things. So we will be equipped enough to serve only 70%. Then he said, he asked him, is it so? What is the timing of the kids, students coming to the college? He said, 9 o'clock they will come and 1 o'clock they will leave. So they use the lab and classes only in the time slot of 9 to 1, right? Yes. Then he took a vital decision, an interesting decision. People would not believe அவர் வந்து படிக்காதவனே சொல்ல மாட்டோம். He is so intellectual and so able to, using the presence of mind, took a decision. Then if we will be able to give the proficiency, அந்த ஒரு வசதி வந்து 2 o'clock வந்து 7 o'clock can we do that institute, I mean classroom session, physics lab free-ஆ தானே இருக்கும் 2 to 7. Yes, it would be free only. Why can't we give opportunity for 70 more people who can study, who wanted to study? Put this as a morning college. Assign this as an evening college. Let another 70 people join us and study and improve their careers. Then only the evening college started. So this is how a leader, or this is how you have to take decisions. Make your plan. And then it would be a win-win situation for everybody. நீங்க ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட்க்கு உங்களுக்கு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொடுக்குறாங்க, so you are approaching that person, he has to feel, yes, we are given that thing is in the safer hands. So we have to be very, very efficient enough to take decisions and execute decisions. So these are the things like I wanted to share with you today. எஃபெக்டிவா இருக்கணும் செஷன், அண்ட் என்னென்னலாம் நம்ம பார்த்துக்கணும், என்னென்னலாம் நம்ம வந்து கவனிச்சுக்கணும். We have to take a pause. நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் ஓடிண்டே இருக்கும். We have to take a pause on things which we importantly know. So all these 5 aspects you think, you do, so that you will have a very great career. So this is what I wanted to share it with you all who are going to start or who are already started and just wanted to get into the next level. So very all the best in case me. So I'm just here, we are all here, not only me, even Raghu and Ramesh is also here, so that we can all answer your questions. So we will be able to think. So anything like you wanted to share or ask questions?
Sorry, I just lost it.
Yeah,
First of all, it was very, very informative and very good information. And
Thank you, Pallavi.
for all your tips, it was really wonderful. It helped me because there is something to learn every day from everybody, and even at any junction, you keep on learning, and it's very good. It was very good. One thing I wanted to ask you was, can you share the PPT, because I could not see some of the things that you had already written there. So
Sure, I will share it.
and help us if you can.
Definitely, Pallavi. I will share it with Raghu so that you can take it from him.
I request all the participants to share their mail ID on the chat box, so that we will share the PPT slides to your mail ID after the session is complete.
Sure.
Thank you, Raghu. We will do that. Yeah, thanks.
Mr. Indumati spoke about. Thank you, ma'am. Such an excellent session, really inspiring and motivating. I mean, after hearing your speech, I'm really motivated. In fact, I just recall one more legend, and that is about Dashrath Manchi. I hope you all have heard about Mountain Man. right?
Right.
That kind of proves that, nothing is impossible to achieve. I mean, if you see, look at his life, he's kind of a small man. He really had no money, he had no power, but he could challenge a mighty mountain, and that's the reason he's called as a mountain man. If you see his determination, right? If you see his determination to carve the huge mountain, giving a very strong message that any hurdle can be crossed if one has kept a firm eye on his goal, right? It's not 1 or 2 days. I mean, he spent around 22 years of hard work and he became a success. And what success was it? I mean, he constructed a road which is now being used by villages. A single man single-handedly carved out a mountain, created a road which nobody else did, but today the same road is being used by villages. Of course, all this happened due to a tragic situation where his wife, he lost his wife, and that's how he got inspired to do this. But look at it. I mean, if you look at it, his goal, the way he went about it, the determination, right? Like Mr. Indumati was saying, you have to dream big, you have to think big. I mean, you have to aim for the moon, so you land among the stars. It's important to write because when you write, like we say, we have the to-do list, right? The moment you write, it works subconsciously because just visualizing is of no use. You have to actionize that, right? And that is very important. So each day when you look at it, you are actually moving towards it. And naturally, when you move, as they say, the entire universe conspires and helps you achieve whatever you do. And this is very true. I mean, if you look at any one of us, and we have all experienced this, whenever we have strongly felt about something and we have really done something, we definitely achieve that. So I would really like to take this situation to thank Mr. Indumati for such an excellent session. It's one of the most important things because, as they say, vision is the most important thing, and you need to really introspect. Right? When you introspect, that is when you really know what is that you really like, what is that you want to do, what's your passion, and planning, goal setting, and grooming yourself are some of the steps that will really lead you to a professional career. And this is coming from a renowned person like Indumati, who herself has been as part of HR, of leading MNCs like HCL. And as she also mentioned, back at the days when there was nobody to guide, nobody to tell you anything, how to really go about it. Today, with all the information, we are here. We are really lucky to have you here, ma'am, today to share all your insights and experiences. Thank you very much for being here, being on the call. This being a virtual meet, I can just verbally tell you thank you. Of course, our gift also will be given to you virtually. So please do bear with us on that, and we'll be definitely sending it to you. I really appreciate sparing your valuable time for this session. I'm sure all our attendees benefited a lot. Thank you once again on behalf of everybody.
Thank you, Ramesh. I too feel the same because that pleasure is mine and coming and sharing few things like with our crowd. So thank you for the opportunity extended, Ramesh, and also for Raghu, my friend.
Yeah, sure, Indu.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks a lot to Raghu also, because without Raghu, we would not have been able to reach or connect with you. So it also emphasized the point that you mentioned, right? Contact and connect, which is so important. And that's how today's session really happened. Thank you so much.